Did you know that the average driver spends over 300 hours on the road each year? Now, imagine if your dashcam could not only capture the critical moments, but also monitor your driving behavior. That's where the BlackVue DR770X Box-3CH DMS Pro comes in. This 3-channel dashcam isn't just about recording your front and rear views. It's about making your entire driving experience safer and more secure. Welcome to another review here on Autovated. Today, we're diving into the BlackVue DR770X Box-3CH DMS Pro, a dash cam designed for maximum security and driver safety. Let's break it down to see if it's the right fit for you. The BlackVue DR770X Box-3CH DMS Pro features a compact 3-channel setup, covering your front, rear, and even driver monitoring system, DMS. Powered by the high-sensitivity STARVIS image sensor, it promises clear footage in both shadowy and bright areas. The unique selling point? A separate secure recording box that can be stashed away for extra stealth and security. With built-in Wi-Fi and optional LTE, this dashcam offers seamless cloud connectivity. I've scoured expert tests, verified reviews, and comparisons with similar models to give you the full picture. Here's what I found. Key features: driver monitoring system, DMS. The infrared DMS camera watches your driving behavior, alerting you to distractions, drowsiness, or even when your seatbelt is off. If you're a frequent driver, this could be a game changer in preventing accidents. Separate recording box. Unlike most dash cams that keep the processor in the front camera exposed to the sun, the DR770X moves it to a discrete box, offering better heat resistance and more flexibility for installation. Native parking mode. With automatic activation when the ignition is off, you don't have to worry about your car being unmonitored while parked. You can also customize the voltage cutoff and timer via the BlackVue app. Real-world testing and usage. From a practical standpoint, the installation was straightforward. Once powered, connecting the dashcam to the BlackVue app was seamless. No tech headaches here. The footage quality was impressive, with sharp details even in tricky lighting conditions, and the DMS feature helped alert me to small distractions while driving. Pros: excellent video quality. Thanks to the STARVIS image sensor, the clarity in both low and bright light is impressive. Driver monitoring system adds an extra layer of safety for long-distance drivers or those prone to distractions. Stealthy and secure recording. The separate recording box is a unique feature, offering better heat resistance and the peace of mind that comes with stashing it away. Cons: complexity for DIY installers. While the installation is straightforward, some users may find the additional wiring and setup for the parking mode to be a hassle. LTE module. The optional LTE module is an added cost, so if you're after the full connected experience, keep that in mind. Limited cloud features. While the cloud integration is convenient, it could benefit from more advanced features, especially for those who rely heavily on remote access. Value for money. Considering its advanced features like the driver monitoring system and high-quality video recording, the BlackVue DR770X Box-3CH DMS Pro is priced in line with premium models. If you're someone who values peace of mind on the road, it offers solid value. However, if you're looking for something simpler, there are more affordable alternatives out there. Comparison. When compared to the BlackVue N4, which also offers 3-channel recording, the BlackVue stands out in terms of driver monitoring and heat resistance. However, the BlackVue has a slightly lower price point, so it's worth considering if you're looking to balance features and budget. Midway call to action. If this breakdown is helping you steer in the right direction toward making an informed purchase, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Let's keep your automotive knowledge on the fast track. Build quality and longevity. The BlackVue DR770X Box-3CH DMS Pro is built with durability in mind. The separate recording box and heat-resistant design should ensure that the device remains reliable in various conditions. Based on industry reports, it has a solid track record for long-term use, especially in terms of video quality retention and the durability of the recording box. Customer support. BlackVue's customer support has a good reputation in the industry, and their 2-year manufacturer warranty offers added peace of mind. While there haven't been many widespread complaints, BlackVue is known to offer responsive customer service if issues arise. Who it's for. This dash cam is ideal for commuters, long-distance drivers, and anyone who values extra safety features. If you're someone who tends to get distracted or is concerned about security while parking, this is a great choice. Conclusion: strong option. If you're looking for a dash cam that offers more than just recording, and you want added safety features like the driver monitoring system, the BlackVue DR770X Box-3CH DMS Pro is a top contender in its class. Its high video quality, secure recording unit, and DMS system make it a strong pick for anyone looking to enhance their driving experience. End of video engagement. Thanks for watching. If you're considering the BlackVue DR770X, links to the product can be found in the comments below. Have you used it or something similar? Share your thoughts or questions. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay autovated and drive safely.